The Lost Kitten and Helpful Puppy. Moral story. A little kitten got lost while playing in the garden. She was scared and crying for help. A friendly puppy heard her cries and came running towards the kitten. "Don't worry, I will help you," the puppy said. He led the kitten back through the garden, showing her the way home. The kitten's mother was so happy to see her safe. The kitten also thanked the puppy for his kindness. They became best friends and always help each other whenever they are in need. Moral of the story is, helping others brings us closer together.